Welcome everyone, we're on the terrain for Hotel Corazón. I'm Lindsay, I'm the intern, and this is Erika and Saskia, the social entrepreneurs. It's not so sunny today, but we want to show you around on our terrain today. So Erika will show us one of the rooms.
Yes, follow me. This is one, mind your step also. This is basically the size of a hotel room in Hotel Corazón, Mexico. And now we're gonna go through the bathroom. I hope you can follow me. As you can see, there's a lot of building going on. This is all the electricity cable, the water pipes are already in here, the drainage. And I hope you can all have a really lovely shower here.
Alright, so Saskia will show us some more.
Vamos! Okay, as you can see, the terrain is very full. There's like 16 guys working and we don't have a lot of space, so we're going full speed ahead right now. I wanted to show you the living room, provecho. Here's some guys having their lunch, breakfast. This is going to be the living room. Let me go here. Living room with a floor which is already finished. You don't see it right now, it has to be polished, but it's a beautiful dark gray cement floor. That area over there is going to be the kitchen. So this is like one of the main spaces with a public patio, like a little garden in the back. And when you turn around, you see the other wing that we're working on. That big gray structure is the water tank, 10,000 liters, and we're busy with the foundations right there. So after the big wing, here's going to be the second wing, the small wing. So that's it. Thanks.